Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the implementations or applications of the trigonometry table that we saw in the past class or in the past lecture. This one is the fourth or fifth one, I guess, in the trigonometry playlist that I'm going to add. So please focus and let's see how does it go. So we discussed that what is the value of sine 30. So sine 30 I told you, then I told you about sine of 60, then sine of 45. These all values were discussed in that particular table. So you have to keep that handy, and as you're going to use it, you're going to be having all of it in your mind. So let's begin. So we need to figure out what is cos 30, then sine 60, then cos 60 and sine 30, and adding 1 to it should give us root 3 by 2. So let's check how does it go. So if you remember, I had taught you about sine of 30, that was half, and then sine 60 was root 3 by 2. Sine values keep on increasing because it's an increasing function. Its graph goes on, like it starts from 0 and then it goes to this. This is how this sine function works, right? So this is an increasing sort of a function. Okay, so now we will start from 0 for sine of 0, then you go on to sine 30, it goes to half, then sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, and this is how the values are channelized. Okay, so we need to find out cos 30. So cos of 30 degree would be root 3 by 2 only. So I'll just put root 3 by 2, and then plus sine 60 was again root 3 by 2 over 1 plus cos 60. Cos 60 was 1 by 2, guys, and then plus sine 30 was 1 by 2. Let's add them all. So it's going to be 2 root 3 by 2 over 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So this is going to result in 1, and 1 plus 1, we'll just write down 1 plus 1 over here. That's going to be 2. I'll cancel this out on the top, and then we will have root 3 by 2. Very simple question, right? So you all can just do it, pause this video, do it by yourself, and then move on to the next question. Now we have to find the value of theta, where we have been given 2 sine 2 theta is equal to root 3. So when 2 sine of 2 theta is equal to root 3, can I just divide both the sides by 2 to get rid of this 2, guys? We can't get rid of this 2 ever. Do not try. And then root 3 by 2 for the right hand side also. So just getting rid of this one, and we will have sine of 2 theta as root 3 by 2. Any guesses what should we do now? Since root 3 by 2 is going to be the value of sine of 60 degrees, can I say that sine of 2 theta is equal to sine of 60 degrees? Now we'll take inverse of both the sides, or we can just compare 2 theta would be equal to 60 degrees. So theta would be equal to 30 degrees. Remember, I have not eliminated the sine. You cannot eliminate it like sine is cut from both the sides. You will never do that. That's not mathematics, guys. You either take inverse of both the sides, or you would just do the, if I would just want to do the inverse, I would like it like, so 2 theta will be equal to sine inverse of sine 60 degrees, and that's gonna be 60 degrees this way. So please, no other way, guys. You can't cut the sine on both the sides, never ever. Okay, so this is the value of theta. I just believe that you got it. Finally, you have the next one, that is 2 sine square theta is equal to half. Okay, again we'll do the same thing. So if 2 sine square theta is going to be half, sine square theta is going to be 1 by 4. Take under root on both the sides. So sine square theta under root is equal to under root of 1 by 4. So sine of theta is 1 by 2. So theta is going to be, so here it will give you a value of plus minus 2. Now we know that it is, theta is subjected to some domain, that theta will not go beyond 90 or beyond 0. So we need to be in this domain only from 0 to 90 degree. So theta is going to be like when is the value of sine half. So sine half happens at sine of 30 degrees. Okay, that's why theta is going to be 30 degrees. That's it. That's mainly it. I hope you got it. Please look at this domain, whatever is given, because you need to be subjecting your angle within this domain. Okay, and this is it for this session. So we did 3 types of question. If there's any problem, you can please comment in the comment section below. And if you liked it, you can please like, share, and comment, and also subscribe the channel for more such videos. And I'll see you in the next session.